Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's tip is to build a design network. You're doing this over time by communicating with other designers, either in Facebook groups or on forums or on chats, or by liking their stuff on Instagram, for example, sending them direct messages without ever wanting to reach out for work. You're doing this just because you are a good person and you're just trying to show appreciation for their work. By communicating with other designers and by creating these connections with other designers, you're opening doors for getting additional work back to you, because some designers are going to reach out back to you and simply offer you that job because they're going to see that you are, for example, this great UX designer or this great app designer or whatever it is. And then if they get a job which they cannot finish, for example, because it's a tight deadline, they don't do those things in design, they're going to reach out to you because they understood that you are a good person and that you show appreciation for their work, and you reached out to them at the first place at a more personal and human level. You can also do this by going to conferences, by going to meetups, by meeting other designers, as I said, either online or in person, and just by building these relationships. I cannot tell you how many times in the past I have been offered work by my fellow designers just because I was creating these connections, meaningful connections on a human level, just by reaching out and appreciating their work and by simply complimenting their work. By creating these designer relationships, you're always opening the doors to potential work, to potential collaboration, and if you are the one who needs help, you can simply reach out to your design network and simply offering that job to all of these other designers. So creating a design network is really a key, and this is not something that you're going to do overnight. This is something that takes months and years to build, but then once you build it, it's going to really bring you major benefits, because as I said, you can simply reach out to your designer network and simply communicate with them about work. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.